Okay.
Hi, I'm John Birmingham, and I am going to. Oh wait. Don't look good. Hold on a second. Let me do some push-ups.
This will only take 1 minute, Danica. 1 minute of filming is all it'll do. What's the ball do there? What's the ball do there?
It's John Birmingham. Hello, and I'm going to attempt to break the world record for the most jumping jacks in 1 minute. Okay, let's film it. Okay, ready?
Ready.
You filming?
I'm filming.
Okay. Do it handheld. Don't put it down because then you can't.
I know.
You'll know it's real.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna see how many jumping jacks I can.
Face forward.
Okay, do you see the time going by?
Yeah.
Tell me when to start.
All right. And go.
How much time I have left?
I don't know. I'll tell you when. You got some more time. Stop. How many did you do?
Hey, how's it going? So I broke the world record for the most consecutive jumping jacks in 1 minute in extreme heat. Now the weather when I was out there was over 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and with the direct sunlight like that, it intensified it. And so I think it was like, it was so hot I could barely get a breath in. After that, I had to go almost right inside after I just walked around and recuperated, and I was like, oh my God, this is so hot. So I had to go inside, and I think for sure, if it was in a controlled environment with the air conditioning and stuff like that, it would have been really beyond the world record, which is 117 jumping jacks in 1 minute. So I did 107 jumping jacks. So I beat the world record for most jumping jacks in 1 minute in extreme heat. What is it, military helicopters? They fly right through here over this house. Or over this neighborhood.
What?
They fly right over this neighborhood. Because they did it before one time, like right after I yelled at my dad. It scared me. I was like, what is that? I'd never seen it before. This must be on their path to go somewhere. Maybe they go down from DC to somewhere else. Who knows where they...
I can do a backflip.
Whoa. You can? You can hear them. Let's see where they go. Whoa.
Watch, I can do a backflip.
They're right there. A backflip? Whoa, that was a sideways flip. That's really good.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're doing a backflip. He learned that on his own. How did you do that?
I don't know.
Wow, that is cool.
Oh, I know a better one.
Whoa, a 360?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. What are you doing?
I like that.
Ugh. What are you doing? Watching the boys?
Go towards the,
Supervising how they do things? That was good. You gonna land it next?
Yeah.
Okay. You landed it and just stopped. What?
Take it.
What? Put it back. Don't touch it.
What?
Yeah, get
Why
away.
would you touch that? It came out of a bird's vagina.
Okay, close it. Look, get away. Get away. Leave it there.
Before the birds pop their heads.
Yeah.